Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I do this black hole kind of effect. So when this character comes to the range in this, you can see the particles coming from this character and sucking into this black hole. And when I am out of the range, so there's no spawning particle. So this is very good way, although this effect doesn't look very good. It's just an idea to show you how to create this type of effect. You can add your own elements and make it attractive. So I have this third person template and I don't have any effect here right now, but let's create something. So what I need something. Let's add a Niagara FX, and in this FX, let's say I want black particle, but this is additive, so you need to change it to the translucent if you have any translucent material. It's also radial, but I can make